Remember the chocolate that I made? I will leave that link above. So we're going to use that chocolate and make some chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients we are using. If you want more, you could double this recipe. So let's get into the intro and let's get started. As you all remembered, I did make chocolate bars and not the normal typical chocolate chip for this. So this is what we're using. I chip it up with a knife and I'm using this. I place it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, my oven was heating up and I was lining my baking pan. I used parchment paper with a little bit of butter and spoon them out on my baking dish, and I baked this for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. I hope you enjoy watching this, and don't forget to check out my chocolate video. The links will be in the cards above and the end screen. Thanks so much for your constant support, and see you all in my next recipe. Bye.